I'm going to be talking about the 1914 event. 1914 is one of the iconic years in history. This is due to a number of reasons, but most compelling of all of them is the First World War. Started on 28th July 1914 and lasted for about 4 years. There are other major events that occurred on this year, most of which have been associated with the First World War. Among them, assassination of their presumptive to the throne of Austria-Hungary, declaration of war between Austria-Hungary and Siberia Germany's invasion of Luxembourg and Belgium, Austria-Hungary invading Russia, among many others. During the war period, starting in 1914, a number of innovations were made which are still helpful to date. Some of these including trench coats, sanitary pads, blood banks, and wristwatches, among others. Historically, the war 1914 saw the distribution of social order and instability was observed all over the world. This made it unfavorable to come up with major innovations. One discovery, however, stood out that year: the innovation of the Morgan gas mask to help in explosions and stuffy environments. The most notable world event that took place in 1914 is the start of the First World War, which greatly influenced art. With the advent of war, a number of artists and exhibitions portrayed reactions by artists as their work represented the horror brought by the warfare and its aftermath. Artists started using their skills to tell stories of the whole war process, and that was clearly experienced in the 19th century. Relevant innovations such as the gas mask in this period found themselves at the center of art during the period and even into the 20th century. A number of artists also produced profiles to document the First World War to demonstrate the trauma and the pain endured by the war victims. Art movements such as Expressionism, Dadaism, which motivated the production of art that reflected the illusionment of the times, and even photography, and artists sought to produce object evidence that documented people, places, and various events during the First War. Thank you.